go.
I'm back at it, getting the console together. I sprayed the carpet that's on the bottom of the console. I ain't used no fabric, nothing. I just used this. So, about to wrap these side pieces, scuff up. Hopefully I scuff up the inserts and see if the paint stick to it. If not, I'm gonna wrap them in leather, which I really don't want to. I gotta wrap this too, the back of it. So, see how that goes. Let me pause this. Damn. I got the sides wrapped up. The other one up there. I just gotta do this, but I gotta go get some more Loctite glue. No scraping all the paint and plastic or whatever off of this, because it's another film that's over it. So gotta get all that off. Alright, y'all, I got it wrapped. Got it all wrapped. Get it all wrapped. Like I said, I gotta scrape off, get all that gloss and shit off of that. I'm gonna paint that, and the part where the tab would be, let me see, this, get it, man, my tablet gonna be in here fiberglass stand. So yeah, came out pretty good though. Yep. Yeah, stay tuned. Give y'all an idea before I paint them pieces. Yeah. That's getting fiberglassed in. That's getting fiberglassed in. That's getting fiberglassed in. Digital dash coming.